नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids. Don't think that ma'am sound is very less because ma'am is not feeling well. Okay, ma, please cooperate with me, my dear kids. And even I'll try to increase my voice. Okay, ma. Okay, last class we started a new lesson, right? We about cinema. When before and all it was silent cinema and all. After that it started bolna. It started talking, taking talking cinema like that and all. So which is the first talking cinema? Yeah, Alam Ara, right? It was who has taken that one? Filmkar Ardeshi Remirani, right, in 1929. So 1929, in 1930 or something, right? 31, yeah. So we will continue the lesson. Okay, ma? I'll take your textbook. Page number 60. First para we finished. The second one, आलम आरा का संगीत उस समय डिस्क फॉर्म में रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया जा सका. फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू हुई तो साउंड के कारण ही इसकी शूटिंग रात में करनी पड़ती थी. मीन्स आलम आरा का संगीत उस समय डिस्क फॉर्म में रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया जा सका. Alam, the music of Alam Ara was can't record in the disc form. Like that time and all disc was not there, right? So like the disc form they can't record that music of that Alam Ara. फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू हुई तो साउंड के कारण ही इसकी शूटिंग रात में करनी पड़ती थी. बिकॉज ऑफ हैविंग साउंड आउटसाइड एंड ऑल they are because now and all so many technologies are there, isn't it, to not hearing the sound of surroundings and all. But that time and all it was not there, so they want to wait for the midnight and all to be silent and they want to take something and all. So they also film की shooting शुरू हुई तो sound के कारण, because of sound they stopped the shooting and they started the shooting on the night. इसके shooting रात में करनी पड़ती थी. मूग युग के अधिकतर फिल्मों को दिन के प्रकाश में शूट कर लिया जाता था, मगर आलम आरा की शूटिंग रात में होने के कारण इसमें कृत्रिम प्रकाश व्यवस्था करनी पड़ी. दैट साइलेंट फिल्म एंड ऑल दे वर टेकिंग ना, दैट टाइम दे वर मोस्टली द अधिकतर फिल्मों को दिन के प्रकाश में शूट कर लिया. द डे लाइट, द लाइट विच इज़ देयर ऑन द day they were using the day only, under the light of the day itself they were taking the silent film center. But what happened, Alam Ara की shooting रात में होने के कारण, the shooting of Alam Ara was there in the night. So what they want to do, कृत्रिम प्रकाश, artificial light system व्यवस्था, कृत्रिम प्रकाश व्यवस्था, artificial light system they want to do, isn't it? यही से प्रकाश प्रणाली बनी जो आगे फिल्म निर्माण की ज़रूरी हिस्सा बनी. दिस प्रकाश, दिस सिस्टम लाइक आर्टिफिशियल लाइट सिस्टम they continued for the production of it became a part of the production of cinema, that artificial light system. It was not there before and all. After that, when Alam Ara, for that they need a light on the night, so they started doing artificial light system, and this light system became a part for the production of the film and all. सो यही से प्रकाश प्रणाली सिस्टम बनी जो आगे फिल्म निर्माण का ज़रूरी हिस्सा बनी. निर्माण प्रोडक्शन हिस्सा पार्ट. सो दिस बिकेम ए पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म प्रोडक्शन. राइट द मीनिंग मा. कृत्रिम प्रकाश, आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, व्यवस्था सिस्टम, प्रणाली also system, निर्माण प्रोडक्शन हिस्सा पार्ट. These are the difficult words in this para. Okay, rest everything then symbols and words only. Then have you finished, ma? Then आलम आरा ने भविष्य के कई स्टार और तकनीशियन तो दिए ही. आर्देशियर की कंपनी तक ने भारतीय सिनेमा के लिए 150 से अधिक मूक और लगभग 100 सवाक फिल्में बनी। आलमारा ने भविष्य के कई स्टार और टेक्नीशियन तो दिए ही। आलमारा, because of Alamara, we got so many new stars and new technicians we got in the future. अर्देशर की कंपनी तक ने भारतीय सिनेमा के लिए then even Ardeshir, the company of that Ardeshir, that man who made that Alamara has given so many contribution to us. For that Bharatiya cinema के लिए, for Indian cinema, he has given 150 means 150, more than 150, 150 से अधिक, more than 150 मूक और लगभग मूक means silent and लगभग 100 सवाक फिल्में बनाए. Has made more Savak, not silent, talking, okay, sorry. Savak means talking. So he has made 150. Savak means Sava. This Savak means talking, okay, talking. I have given the meaning as silent, I think. Sorry, my dear kids. So he has given for Indian cinema more than 150 silent cinema and also लगभग 100 talking cinema also he made. He has given so many stars and technicians, then even he has given this also on 150 silent cinema and also लगभग 100 means nearly 100 of talking cinema also he made. Okay, in this you have to change a savak. In this savak you have to cut, okay, silent you cut and write talking. Okay, Favishya, future, technician, 150, savak, talking. Okay, ma? Okay. Then Alamara film Arabian Nights जैसी fantasy थी. Alamara film Arabian Nights जैसी or like Arabian Night, it was also a fantasy film. फिल्म ने हिंदी उर्दू के मेल वाली हिंदुस्तानी भाषा को लोकप्रिय बनाया. This film, what Hindustani is one language. It is the mixture of Hindi and Urdu. So this this language became popular because of this film. They used this language in the film and this Hindustani language became famous. इसमें गीत, संगीत तथा नृत्य के अनोखे संयोजन थे. In this film, गीत, song, संगीत, music and also dance became the अनोखे संयोजन, unique combination. In this film, the unique combination of song, music and also dance was there. Okay, the meaning you write ma. लोकप्रिय, popular, गीत, song, संगीत, music, नृत्य, dance, अनोखे संयोजन, unique combination. Write that. Then film की नायिका जुबैदा थी. On Jubaida, named one lady only, was the actress of this film. नायक थे विट्ठल named one person was the hero. नायक means hero, नायिका means heroine. Okay, वे उस दौर के सर्वाधिक पारिश्रमिक पाने वाले स्टार थे. Highest earning person of that time. These two were the what we will tell, so many salary those who are getting now, that person only, these Vittal and Jubaida. उस दौर के that rounds highest payable person only, payable stars only, these two. उनके चयन को लेकर भी एक किस्सा काफ़ी चर्चित है. Anecdote of this about their selection also, it is a very hot anecdote it is there. How to select, it is very difficult and all. विट्ठल को उर्दू बोलने में मुश्किलें आती थी. विट्ठल is very feels difficulty to speak Urdu. Okay, he will feel difficulty to speak उर्दू. पहले उनका बतौर नायक चयन किया गया. he was selected as a hero. First he was selected as a hero, मगर इसी कमी के कारण उन्हें हटाकर उनकी जगह महबूब को नायक बना दिया. महबूब is not famous person is there. Because of he don't know that Vittal, he don't know to speak in Urdu, they changed this Vittal and they made Mehboob as the hero of this Alamara. विट्ठल नाराज़ हो गए. विट्ठल became angry and अपना हक पाने के लिए उन्होंने मुकदमा कर दिया. हक means right, मुकदमा court case. Because of not getting the place in this cinema, he became sad and he became angry and he put court case for to get the right of him. He want to get the right because they have selected him as the hero. Then after that, because of not speaking in Urdu, don't know to speak in Urdu, they changed him and they made Mehboob as the hero. So he became angry and he put court case. उस दौर में उनका मुकदमा मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने लड़ा, जो तब के मशहूर वकील हुआ करते थे. Sorry my dear kids. First you write the meaning. सर्वाधिक पारिश्रमिक means highest payable. चयन selection. किस्सा anecdote. चर्चित hot. बतौर नायक चयन selected as a hero. हक right. मुकदमा court case. Yes you write. Then उस दौर में उनका मुकदमा मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने लड़ा, जो तब के मशहूर वकील हुआ करते थे. That time Muhammad Ali Jinnah named one famous lawyer only fight for this court case for this Vittal. He was the Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a famous lawyer, so this lawyer only fought for Vittal. विट्ठल मुकदमा जीते और भारत की पहली बोलती फिल्म के नायक बने. विट्ठल only win that मुकदमा and also he became the hero of the first talking film. भारत की पहली बोलती फिल्म के नायक बने. उनकी कामयाबी आगे भी जारी रही. He continued how he became success more, because after this cinema also he got more chances and he gone forward. मराठी और हिंदी फिल्मों में वे लंबे समय तक नायक और स्टंटमैन के रूप में सक्रिय रहे. In Marathi and Hindi film, because he don't know Urdu, right? So in Hindi and Marathi film he was the he became active in as a hero and also as a stuntman. नायक और stuntman के रूप में सक्रिय रहे. सक्रिय means active. He was very active in he became active as a hero and also a stuntman in Marathi and Hindi film. इसके अलावा आरमाला में सोहराब मोदी, पृथ्वीराज कपूर, याकूब और जगदीश सेठी जैसे अभिनेता भी मौजूद रहे. Except him, this famous Sohrab Modi, Prithviraj Kapoor, Yaqub, Jagdish Sethi, these actors also was present there. आगे चलकर जो फिल्म उद्योग का प्रमुख स्तंभ बने. These people also became the main pillars of the film industry. These people, this Sohrab Modi, Prithviraj Kapoor, Yaqub and Jagdish Sethi also was there in the Alam era, was present in the Alam era, and also they became the pillar for the film industry. Right ma, कामयाबी succeed, सक्रिय, active, मौजूद, present, film उद्योग, film industry, स्तंभ, pillar. Then यह फिल्म 14 मार्च 1931 को मुंबई के मैजेस्टिक सिनेमा में प्रदर्शित हुई. दिस फिल्म has published where they published that cinema in Majestic cinema. Majestic on theater, I think there only they first they put this film, this Alamara film. 8 सप्ताह तक हाउसफुल चली. 8 weeks. सप्ताह means week. सप्ताह week. 8 सप्ताह 8 weeks it was houseful and feed इतनी उमड़ थी कि how much crowd was there, crowd was overflow कि पुलिस के लिए नियंत्रण करना मुश्किल हो जाया करता था. What means because of overflow of the crowd, police can't control. They became so difficult to control the people. Because of this, film was houseful for 8 weeks. So police became so difficult. Police got so many difficulties to control this overflow of the crowd. समीक्षकों ने इसे फडकीली फैंटेसी फिल्म करार दिया. फडकीली फैंटेसी named one. Criticizers has given agreement like this film is a फडकीली फैंटेसी. एंड मगर दर्शकों के लिए यह फिल्म एक अनोखा अनुभूति. बट फॉर व्यूअर्स, दर्शकों मीन्स व्यूअर्स, दर्शकों व्यूअर्स, for दर्शकों it was a strange experience. It was a अनोखा अनुभव means strange experience. Strange experience. Strange experience. Okay. Then यह फिल्म 10,000 फुट लंबी थी. It was 10,000 feet lengthy. That film we will tell now. It was 10 feet length, 10,000 feet lengthy, and इसे 4 महीनों की कड़ी मेहनत से तैयार किया गया था. Because of heavy hard work for 4 months. 4 means 4 months. That time not that much only enough for the cinema. Now only taking so many days and all, I think. I don't know. But they struggled for 4 months and only they made this film. इसे 4 महीनों की कड़ी मेहनत से तैयार किया था. Because of the heavy hard work for 4 months only they made this cinema. उमड़ती overflow. समीक्षकों criticizers करार agreement foot. Have you finished the meanings and all? This much is enough for today. Have you understood the lesson? It's like nice only, right? We didn't get this much information and all from anywhere. So many information we got. Little more is there that we will take on the next class. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.